this feeling inside, but I'm not one of those who can easily hide. Oh, well, I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, you know, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. Oh, live. If I were a sculptor, and then again, no, oh man, just sitting making potions in a traveling show. Well, I know it's not much, but girl, it's the best I can do. Do you see? My gift is my song, and this here one's for you. And you can tell everybody that this is your song. Yes, all the words may be quite simple, but now that it's done, oh, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is when you're in the world. Oh yes, girl. Sat on the roof, child, yes I did. And then I kicked off the moss, but a few other verses, you know they got me quite cross. Oh, but the sun's been real kind while I wrote down this song. You see, it's for people like you that will keep it turned on. Excuse my forgetting, but these things I do. Well, you see, honey, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Oh, well, in a way, you know the thing is, honey, what I really mean is your love is that well, it yours I'm the sweetest as a bleed I have ever seen. Take it back at that. You can tell everybody there that this is your song, yes you can. Oh, words may be quite simple, but now that it's done, oh, hope you don't mind, hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is when you're in the world. Let me sing that line one more time, girl. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words, well, these sweet words, how wonderful life is, baby, while you are in my world. Believe I sit you on the dock of the bay, watching the tide rolling away. Yes, I'll be thinking of you, love, sweet memories too, all of you.